Comprehensive keyboard stand comparison. Keyboard stands are an essential accessory for musicians, offering stability, adjustability, and portability for digital pianos and electronic keyboards. Whether you're a professional performer, an amateur hobbyist, or a beginner, the right stand can enhance your playing experience and protect your instrument. In this review, the RockJam EXfinity Double X stand is a mid-range option that combines durability with ease of use. Its Double X metal frame provides excellent stability, making it a reliable choice for digital pianos and electronic keyboards weighing up to 45 pounds. The adjustable height mechanism ranges from 10 centimeters to 98 centimeters, accommodating players of all ages and sizes. Additionally, the locking straps ensure your keyboard remains secure during play, while the non-slip rubber caps keep the stand firmly in place on various surfaces. The pre-assembled design makes setup quick and hassle-free, which is particularly appealing for those who frequently transport their equipment. In terms of performance, the RockJam EXfinity excels in providing a stable and secure platform for keyboards. The adjustability is smooth and intuitive, allowing precise height customization. This stand is ideal for home studios, classrooms, and live performances thanks to its robust construction and portability. However, its weight, 8.38 pounds, might be slightly cumbersome for users seeking ultra-light options. The painted finish adds a sleek look, but may show wear over time with frequent use. The Pile Zframe stand is the premium option in this comparison, offering unmatched stability and versatility. Its unique Z-shaped design allows for both height and width adjustments, making it compatible with keyboards of various sizes, 54 to 88 keys. Foam-padded arms prevent slippage and protect the keyboard from scratches, while the sturdy steel construction supports up to 85 pounds. This stand is foldable into a compact shape, making it ideal for travel and storage. Setup and breakdown are quick, requiring less than a minute, which is perfect for performers on the go. Performance-wise, the Pile stand delivers exceptional reliability, even for heavier keyboards. The infinitely adjustable width mechanism is a standout feature, allowing precise alignment with your piano. Its robust construction makes it suitable for professional use in studios, classrooms, and live performances. However, the higher price point, $53.99, may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its weight, 9.68 pounds, could be a challenge for portability compared to lighter models. The Gleam keyboard stand is the budget option in this lineup, priced at an affordable $21.99. Its single X metal construction provides decent stability for lightweight and mid-range keyboards. With the load capacity of 50 pounds, the stand offers adjustable height, 23.5 inches to 38.5 inches, and width, 12 inches to 33 inches, making it versatile enough for most keyboard sizes. Assembly is straightforward, and the powder-coated steel and PVC materials ensure reasonable durability for the price. While the Gleam stand performs adequately for casual use, it lacks the robustness needed for heavier keyboards or professional environments. The single X design is less stable compared to Double X or Z-frame models, and the plastic components might wear out faster with frequent adjustments. This stand is best suited for beginners or those seeking a low-cost option for occasional use. List 4. The Amazon Basic stand is a reliable entry-level option priced at $26.15. Its single X-shaped design offers reasonable stability for lightweight keyboards, with adjustable height settings ranging from 25.6 inches to 39 inches. Made of durable steel and PVC materials, this stand is designed to withstand regular use. The sleek black finish adds a professional aesthetic, and its compact dimensions make it easy to transport and store. In practice, the Amazon Basic stand is well suited for beginners and casual players. However, it may struggle to support heavier keyboards securely. The adjustable height mechanism is functional but lacks the precision of higher-end models. This stand is ideal for home use or light performances, but professionals may find its features limiting. List 5. The Tippeteer Double X stand offers a balance of affordability and functionality at $39.99. Its sturdy Double X metal frame provides excellent stability for keyboards up to 88 keys. The adjustable height mechanism features 7 settings ranging from 12.2 inches to 37.8 inches, catering to both children and adults. The foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, while the powder-coated finish ensures durability. This stand is a versatile choice for various use cases, including band practice, studio sessions, and live performances. Its robust construction and adjustable features make it suitable for both amateurs and professionals. However, the assembly process is slightly more complex compared to pre-assembled models, and the weight, 6.07 pounds, might be a consideration for frequent